Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Miss P.A. Zankar. I am from Electrical Department, Nanasaheb Madik College of Engineering, Pate. So in today's video, I will show you how to perform practicals on virtual lab. For that, first you have to go on Google. You have to type there virtual lab. So when you type there virtual lab, this window will open. You have to click on first link virtual lab. In that, an initiative of Ministry of Human Resource Development under the National Mission of Education virtual lab is open. Objective of this virtual lab is to provide remote access to labs in various disciplines like science and engineering. These virtual labs would provide students of undergraduate, postgraduate as well as research scholars various advanced concepts through the remote experiment. Then to provide the complete learning management through various tools for learning including additional web resources, video lecture, animated demonstrations, etc. So here you can see the broad areas of virtual lab. Today we will see in electronics and communication lab. So in that, when you click on this electronic and telecommunication, there are many sources you get: IIT Bombay, then from IIT Kharagpur, then from IIT Hyderabad, IIT Delhi. So today we are performing a basic experiment on electronics. So we will click on basic electronics lab. So here you can see the introduction of basic electronics lab is shown: virtual lab for teachers, virtual lab for students, and key features for virtual lab. Next is a list of experiment developed here. So we will see Ohm's law today. So here you can see the theory of Ohm's law, objectives of Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that current through the conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points. Such a conductor is characterized by the resistance R, and unit of resistance is ohm. So V is equal to I into R is the equation of Ohm's law. Here you can see the Ohm's law triangle. Then explanation of Ohm's law, they are given explanation with circuit diagram. Then explanation of Ohm's law for resistance in series. Then explanation for Ohm's law where resistance are in parallel. Then also they are providing you explanation of non-ohmic devices also with circuit diagram. So here is the total theory of this Ohm's law. Then we will see the procedure, what they give in the procedure, how to let us go through the experiment and confirming the Ohm's law. Then how to set the DC voltage, set the resistance, and all these things they have given. Now they are showing the figure 1 where the resistance, ampere, volt are given. Then next is the set of R1 and R2 which are series, then set of R1 and R2 where they are in parallel. Then for non-ohmic, all these experimental setup are given. So we will go to the simulation part. For the simulation part, there are various options you can see. You can go through any option to verify the Ohm's law. So we will go through today Ohm's law draw circuit. So when we open this, we can see here instruction, experimental table, resistance, voltage, current, and this Ohm's law circuit. Then control panels, we have given DC volt, voltage, resistance, then check connection, delete all connection, add to table, plot, clear. Here they have given us graph plot. So now we will do first connection. One by one I will join these points so that we can check our connection is right or wrong. Okay, I have completed this connection. I will check it right or wrong. Okay, this connection is right. So then we will go to the control panels and we will check the resistance value and set the DC voltage and add to table these values. Then we will get here resistance 17, voltage 5, and current is 0.294. So here we have to maintain the resistance value is constant. So here you can see the resistance value R, here you can see VDC, and here you can see the current. Now we will change the DC voltage here and then add this value to the table. Now you can see here resistance is 17, VDC is 7, and the current is 0.412. You can see here the table value are existing in this table. So Again we change the DC voltage and add to table this value, then we will get 0.588 this current. So on calci also, by the help of V is equal to I into R, you can take the value of resistance 17 and you can change the value of voltages 5, 7, 10, 15, and you can check either the value of currents are this or not. Okay, so you can verify on calculator also. I will take next one value, last value of this setup. So I have taken here 5 values. So now we will plot the graph of this. So now I will click on this plot option. So you will get here the plot, and here you get the print option also. So you can print this. Okay, save this PDF and print this, but not necessary now. So this is VI plot. When I click on this point, I will get the value of this point, that is 0.588 and 10. We will check in this table, is this value is exist or no. Yes, it is exist in this value 10 and 0.5. Now I will check this value 0, 2, 9, 4 and 5. Yes, first value, then this is second value. Okay, likewise you will get the graph of this experiment. Okay, when you have completed this experiment, you can click here delete all connection. The all connection will be erased, and now you can then again do this connection likewise, and again you can perform this experiment and check the connection. So you can do this several times. So this is all about today's Ohm's law draw circuit. If you find any query during this, you can mail me on this my email ID pazankar@nmcoe.org.in. Thank you.